Hello friends, so right now Mama Bird is not in the nest and I am going to be giving water to Mama Bird. So she can drink. I have a little bit more water. So I'm not going to waste the water. I am going to put it over here where the flowers and plants are. I'll put some over there on the new tree that we planted. It's important to water plants because so they can grow.